LaserPecker 2, fast handheld laser engraver and cutter. Ultra-fast 5W laser engraver and cutter for art, business and leisure use. Nearly all the laser engravers on the market are either too bulky to take on the go or too pricey to be a good value. The first generation of LaserPecker Pro was a game changer, combining versatility and affordability. The second generation, a solid disruptive innovation, again, personal DIY, bulk or offline shop commercial customization, production marking and far more. LaserPecker 2 adds powerful features along with an easy-to-use interface to make laser engraving affordable and simple for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. The sleek, compact, plug-and-play device sets up in seconds and works with a smartphone to transfer images and begin engraving with just a few clicks. LaserPecker 2 rockets up the engraving speed to 600 mm per second. Compared to the LaserPecker Pro first generation, it's a giant leap forward. 3.